everyone! Samahan niyo ako today for a productive day dito sa Australia. Lately, I've been using this travel bag almost every day for work, short trip, or wherever I need to carry all my travel essentials na need ko. I have two bags here, and this one is called Blast Pro Backpack. What I like about this is carry-on siya. Airline approved size, hindi mo na kailangan i-check-in. Meaning, sa madaling salita, no baggage fee, no waiting baggage claim. Go agad. So, labas tayo agad. Super convenient, perfect under airplane seat or overhead compartment. Very travel-friendly talaga itong bag na to. I like the quick access sa pocket, sa top pocket ng bag mo. Meron ako ditong cup, sunglass, and of course, meron din siya ditong small pocket inside. Quick access for my sanitizer, lipstick, lip balm, mini travel perfume, tissue. I like the quick access here. Quick access front pocket. So I have a snap here. And front pocket, I have my important things like passport, wallet. Ibalik natin. Ibalik natin to. And side pocket, you can put your water bottle here. So I have water bottle, any size can fit. So I have this 700 ml water bottle. And also can fit this big bottle. You can secure your water bottle. While you're traveling, it's so easy to access your water bottle, small essential, very secure kasi may maliit siyang bulsa dito sa top. So very quick, very easy access. Meron din siyang separated compartment that can fit up to 15.6 inches for the laptop. I have charger here, my camera, of course, I'm a content creator. Nag-open siya 180 fully. May separate compartment din siya for toiletry. You can separate your shoe. You can see the two hole here is for the shoe. So the air, this is my shoe. Is separate compartment so hindi siya nahahalo sa mga damit mong malilinis. Inside, I have Bag Smart Cube Organizer and another shoes for my partner. So very organized, and this bag is also a waterproof. You can expand your bag and separate shoe compartment. And they also have this handle here. So kapag napapagod ka ng suotin as a backpack, you can use like this. Like that. Very organized, quick access, water bottle access, shoe separate compartment, and easy access on top. Waterproof na din siya. You can adjust also this bag if you want to make it tighter. Here, to tighten the bag. And of course, other side also. And this one is for your water bottle to be secured. And you're ready to go. You know me guys, I also want to look good when I travel. That's why this bag smart perfect for my outfit. Also for my partner. I choose this color because of him. Sometimes I travel with him. So he can use also this one. He can carry it for me. Next, we have roller backpack. This one naman has 3 ways to use it. You can use this as a hand carry. So we have the handle here. Rolling suitcase mode. You can adjust the handle. 1, 2, and 3. Bag as a backpack. So at the back, hiding here. Ilabas natin. Connect here. Other side. That's it. So, you can use it as a backpack na. So, you can use this, it depends on situation. Anytime you can switch as a backpack, rolling suitcase, or the hand carry. So, it's up to you how you want to use it. If you think you're going to stir, you need to use as a backpack or you can hand carry it. Galing, di ba? Kasi parang may 3 bag ka na in one. Backpack, rolling suitcase, hand carry. Travel benefits naman ito, same din sa Pro Plus backpack. Carry on approved size din siya. Fits overhead cabin. Very easy and perfect for smooth travel anywhere you go. May quick access pocket din siya sa top. So halos same din siya ng backpack. You can see. Quick access pocket on the top, water bottle, can fit also big water. So this one is just a big size. If you want to carry more, and if you like the rolling suitcase mode, madami din siyang pocket, front, sa side water bottle, also have a pocket here, small pocket. Marami siyang pocket na pwede kang ilagay. This is how it look like. You can also adjust this. Inside you can use this one to expand. So connect this. Ayan. This is how it look like. And another side. That's it. That is how it look like inside to expand your bag. And you also have pocket here. Pocket. Separate for your sunglasses or important things na easy access also. And another compartment for your toiletry. Anyway guys, I'm happy to share you my travel buddy Blast Pro backpack and roller backpack. Don't forget to check my description down below for promos, for discount code, and to check their website. Available in different color. So check my description down below. Thank you for watching everyone.